What's up, my reseller friends? In today's video, we are unboxing yet another mystery box. This one from Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Nick, and this is my YouTube channel where I buy things, I resell them, I make money, I show how I do it, and I'm always experimenting and exploring new avenues for ways to buy and resell items. That brings us to today's video. Last week, I went and I spent some money on a mystery box from Amazon. I'm not sure what we've gotten ourselves into. I know that I spent a little bit of cash on this. Lately, I've been buying a lot of mystery boxes. I've basically just been throwing money out the window to get mystery boxes to my house. My wife is not the most pleased person in the world because I've been on this adventure. So, if you could do me a favor and give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, and then if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. But really like this video up if you wouldn't mind. It helps push the video out for other viewers so that we can recoup some money on our investment of mystery boxes. I literally am not joking. If you're not familiar, I did a $900 mystery box of items that were Amazon returns from a liquidation site. And then I did a video of a $100 mystery box from a fellow reseller. Today, I'm doing a $40 mystery box from Amazon. I don't have the highest hopes for this. There's so many mystery boxes. I feel like the Hardy Boys up in here with all these mysteries. So let's get into it and see how much we have either lost or gained with these mystery boxes. The whole idea with this is to buy these mystery boxes which claim to have a profit built into them and then turn around and sell those items online. The reason being just trying to find different ways to source online, do some online arbitrage, and then make some fun videos with it. So we'll go to my Amazon account where you can see the mystery box that I bought. I am neither endorsing nor condemning this seller. Don't know because we haven't opened the box yet. But we'll see what we've got here. It was delivered yesterday. It was $41.64 total. I think it was $39 plus tax. Let's open this up. It's a Funko mystery box with 6 Funko Pops. No duplicates. 2 will be exclusive pops. So 6 of them for 40 bucks. That seems to me like there could potentially be profit here. Or maybe we just get a whole bunch of $8 Funko Pops that are just no good. These are just photos here that of what you might get, but we're not sure. Maybe we'll find a really expensive one. Here's the way my brain thinks. If this person is buying all these Funko Pops, they are probably selling the more collectible and the better higher end items for themselves and then just offloading all of these kind of like cheap ones. I don't go into this with a high level of hope or faith necessarily, but it is exciting and I love making these videos for YouTube. So let's jump into this and see what we've got. Just for today's video, normally I don't check comps until post-production. Then I check the comps and put the comps in the screen. But today we're gonna check them through my computer so you can just see it in real time. Just so you know, I have this little Chrome extension up here called the eBay Sold Flux capacitor, which when turned on, you can type in whatever you want and it immediately checks the sold and completed sales on eBay so that you don't have to scroll through and click the filters and all that every single time. You turn this Chrome extension on and it makes sure that you're looking at sold, completed sales all the time. All right, so here's the box that we've got. I'm gonna hold it this way so we don't share addresses because my address is on here and someone else's is on here. And so here we go. We're cutting into this box. Ensure that I don't cut myself. This is supposed to be 6 Funko Pops from Amazon for $40. Let's see. Immediately right off the bat, we have a nicely wrapped little package here. Gonna pull this paper out and I'm going to keep it because I use this to wrap shoes when I sell them. Immediately inside of that, there's another box. So a box in a box. I find it strange that they wrapped the box with paper, but I guess that's everyone has their own process. We're going to open this box now. So mystery box contained a mystery box. And The mystery box contains 6 more boxes, which are mystery, and that would be what we're looking at today. Okay. Not sure what these are, but we're going to go through it one at a time. Let's start upper left-hand corner. We have Shuri, Marvel Studios Shuri, number 393. So, jumping into my computer. All right, we are going in here. Now, some of these might be sold through eBay. Some of them might be sold through Mercari. Just depends on where the higher value is for me. So, we'll go Funko Pop, Shuri, number 393. We hit that enter button and it should bring up the sold. It didn't. Okay, so we will pull up the sold items and maybe that will, there it goes, now it's working. Okay, so these sold $9 free shipping. We're seeing that. There's a $4.25 one bid for plus shipping, $10.50 plus shipping. So I'm gonna come right in the middle of that. Where's my notepad? I'm gonna come right in the middle of that and say, I'm gonna go for $9.99 free shipping. And these are pretty light, so they'll go first class. We will keep a tally of all of this, and then I will put, you know, what the final tally is, plus shipping or free shipping, whatever, to see if we make our money. So there we go. There's one. Next, we've got this. This is a Walmart exclusive Hulk Hogan number 71. So let's go to the top here and we will say Hulk Hogan. I can spell. Number 71. This guy. Ooh, I like this. All right. So we have one here that's $20. Another for 20, another for 15. This was $6.50 plus shipping. Here's what I'm going to do, because these are the most recent sales. I'm going to go in at 20 bucks and we'll see how this does. I really feel like I've seen this at the store before and it wasn't, it didn't have good comps. Maybe that's because it was a while ago and they were selling a lot lower, $7, $16. Maybe I still would have bought it though, I think. But in any event, I will try for 20 bucks and see how it goes. Let's go for the next. The next one we have here is Jack from Titanic, number 706. That is Jack from Titanic. I guess Rose, I'm peeking. Rose is not in here, so we just have Jack. I guess we will put Jack. Titanic, number, was it 706? Yes, 706. And wow, if we had like this whole bundle, we could really sell them. $14.50 by himself, $14 plus shipping, $14 free shipping. So I'm just going to say $14 free shipping and we will call it that. Like I said, if there's more value on other platforms, I will consider going that route. Next is, I don't know who this is. iRock number 502 from Ready Player One, right there. I-ROK number 502. Let's see what we've got. All right, so this is a lose right here. $8.99, $5.75, $4 plus shipping. Well, he's not in a case or in a box. $8 plus shipping, $10 plus shipping. I'm gonna go with $9.99 and maybe take some really good pictures and try to like free shipping. So it appears we might make our money back on this. We might break even. Next, we've got Spider-Man, number 469. Spider-Man stealth suit. Okay, so I feel like, personally, I feel like this would be cool, but I have no clue about comics or anything. So Spider-Man stealth suit, number 469. Please, 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 please. Okay, so $10. $9.99 is where we're gonna go in at, or $9.98 for this. Not great. Free shipping. I have very low hopes about the rest of it. Like, I'm pretty sure we're not gonna break even after shipping and all that. Yeah. Okay, Stranger Things, Steve with sunglasses. Oh, dude, I might need to keep this one. Just kidding, I'm not keeping it. Steve from Stranger Things with sunglasses, number 638. I'll let you look at that right there. Pretty rad. Let's type it in. I don't think this is going to be a good one. Steve with, oh, let's do Stranger Things. We have to put with sunglasses. With sunglasses, because apparently that matters. Whoops, what am I doing? 638. All right, so not great. Once again, there was an $8 plus shipping. Here's a $15 free shipping, a $20 free shipping. I'm gonna do the 20, oh, that comes with a protector. I don't have any protectors. Okay, so I guess we're going $15. I guess we'll do $15 free shipping. You know, if the shipping is $5, then fees, like I'm a top rated seller, and so my fees are a little bit lower. I could probably make the, what, like $7 or $8 that it cost me. So might break even. All right, so those are the pops that we got. Our box is now empty. And let's see. Our final tally would be $78.97 minus $30 for shipping because we're averaging $5 per item to ship. Then taking maybe like $4 away for fees leaves us with a grand total of $44.97. So we make $3 on this box. Not happy about that. It's kind of a bummer. However, you have to think about things like this too. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. This is a mystery. That's why we're doing this. And then on top of that, the sales that you make that are consistent wins and sales, even if you just break even, sometimes those sales will help push you forward and boost your account because eBay is seeing activity on the account. I can take pictures of these. They're all brand new. I can list them today and potentially get them sold very quickly. And so, this box was neither a win nor a lose because it's a break even. But I'm looking at the positive side that at least we broke even because we could have gotten a whole box of garbage, which would have totally sucked. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining and you got value from it. Let me know which one was your favorite. Drop that in the comments below. Be sure to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so it helps other people find the video so they can check it out and see what we got. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. And then as always, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.